For me, architecture is more than what you see, it's how your mind processes what you see.
You have to focus, like the process almost makes you.
We're at a time now with truth and reconciliation. Nature is the center of our value system.
You connect to the source of all creation. The elders say when you connect to the source of all creation, that's when you become a sorcerer. And we need all the magic in the world to be able to solve the problems we've created on this planet right now.